Buenas noches, tutores y compañeros. Mi nombre es Duván Becerra. A continuación voy a presentar el plan turístico que escogí. Yo elegí Santa Marta y este es el plan turístico. Santa Marta Tourist Plan. Day 1, Playa Blanca. If you are looking for a more tourist beach, that is Playa Blanca. It is one of the most visited by travelers when they arrive in Santa Marta, thanks to its proximity. Um, you just have to take a boat at Radero Beach and you will arrive in 20 minutes. Um, we pick you up at your hotel in our bus, in which we will take you to the Rodadero Beach to take the boat to Playa Blanca, where you can enjoy a day at the beach. Around noon, you can enjoy a delicious lunch. Then, you will have the free afternoon to continue enjoy this wonder beach. Day 2, Parque Tayrona. Tayrona National, Tayrona National Natural Park. We pick you up at your hotel in our bus, in which we will take you, you to one of the entrance of the park. There, we will start an extensive walk from throughout the park, where, where, where we will know the beauty of the nature and the importance of this park. Then we will arrive at Playa Cristal, where we will taste a delicious lunch and you will be able to enjoy the beach. Day 3. Um, when pick you up at your hotel, we will take you to the Rodadero Beach, where we will take a boat to go to the aquarium. There we will observe different species of marine life with be experts in the art. We will also be able to observe a museum of the indigenous culture of art. Typical meals of the regions. Mm, One typical meals is coconut rice and fish. Enjoy a delicious rice with coconut and fish. Other typical meals is food of set. Enjoy the best set food in all presentations, past, rice, drinks. Modes of transportations. Good. One, speedboat taxi. In it you can reach the different beaches and aquariums in there. Um, Other modes of transportation is taxis. In the local means of transport, you can also transport yourself to reach the different tourist destinations. Other is You can rent one of the vehicles for your personal use and that of your family. Bueno, eso es todo el plan turístico que ofrezco para esta región. Gracias, hasta luego.